All right, lads. Yeah, just ambient, yeah.
It's gonna be a chill trail, Alan.
Yeah, it's not much, man.
That's alright.
No worries. Hello, lads. I'm going to show you this very tight. Look at that, very tight. Wow. Wow. So I need to spin it around to get out of here. Look at that, it's very tight there, look. So I will ask him which way they usually go, because this is quite confusing. Sorry mate, which way they usually go? This way?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, I'm all right, because very tight, isn't it?
Never seen it done the other way, yeah?
This way, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Because lads, it's very tight, you know. It's okay if you ask somebody to help you and just take it very wide. You see? Look at that. There is no harm for asking people to help you. You see there? There we go. You put thumbs up. Just be safe, lads. Let me just move it. Reverse it again. Do you want it in a bay or what? Okay.
I know we haven't got many on, but there's another two.
Yeah, it's not many. I mean, just to be honest with you,
Pallets to smoke here as well.
yeah. Shall I go in the bay?
Yeah, into the bay there, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good, thank you.
No worries, mate. Thanks. Just have to watch there. Watch that side. I may have to do it again, I don't know, let's see. Is that okay? There we go, lads. That's what you have to do sometimes.